Guys, I'm here na guys sa Qatar Airways. Ay, Qatar Airport pala, Hamad. See, this is Qatar Airport.
Ma'am, Philippine Airlines?
Yes.
4:50, it will open after 1 hour.
Hello guys, hello. Ayan, nandito na ako ngayon. Ayan. Ano doon? Hindi, mga dilata, mga gatas, mga kwan.
Alak, dito may alak.
Para sa mga anak, mga kwan. Ayan. Qatar Airport guys, ang ilang ano, signature, the Big Bear. Big Bear ba yan?
Bear.
Yeah, bear siguro, bear. Ayan. Ayan, so nice. So nice guys. Dito na, basta marami na, tayo na yan. Ayan, boarding ano na guys. Ayan o, 8 boarding namin. Ayan, for the ano, pasok na namin sa loob. Oo. Opo kami, magsikot-sikot na kami o. Diba? Boarding pass ko, passport siguro. Ayan, dito na kami guys. Ang dami namin. Ang dami namin achiburitsi guys. Ang dami passenger. Wala. Papunta ang airplane na guys. Ayan. Taran.
excited na naman kami. Makikita ko na naman ang ating okay naman, baby. Okay naman. Kanya walang pinag-iwalay. Ay, wait, kahit hindi magkaabot. Ayan na. Ayan na. Malapit na. Ang katotohanan. Ayan. Parang sanasa rin yung suwan. Ako, kailangan ko ng manis mo sa pinsing ko. Sa pinsing ko. Lapit ang ating. Papasok na. Hindi tayo magkakita sa pizza.
44.
Kanila ako ang kuwante, ako ang langit. Marika! Bigat pa! Marika, magbigat na duwa.
34.
Destin na anak. Magbigat na duwa, Lud. Na? Magbigat na duwa, Lud. Nagatak ang bed. Oo, 43 ikot eh. Kanya tangata ko. Kayo tangata? 42
Puro Pinoy na ginakarga.
Tangata ba?
Ako kayo,
Ha?
taas.
Lalaki nga bigat ka? Samot na.
43 ito.
Mahirap kung lalaking sa katabi mo.
May ano pa ako ngayon.
Sandali. Ayan.
Nag-ano ko din. Okay mo lang yung hotspot na kay
hours and 50 minutes.
8 hours. 8 hours. And 50 minutes. 8 hours daw.
Na-scan mo, di wala.
Wala eh.
Hindi mo, na-scan mo.
We will now rejoice the safety
Hi, sa vlog ko. Hi, vlog. Hi, Natun. Hi, shout out everyone.
Fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together to tighten, and the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle
Dili, oy.
to
Dili, oy.
fasten, then buckle back. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip this over your head, take tape around your waist, and push and to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cord to the lower end.
Naka-airplane mode ka pa?
If like this feels inflate, blow into tubes. Push fin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your lightness inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Put elastic band first, snug fit, and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're advised to refold it. If a child or other passengers here need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, sit belts in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets holding your seat pockets. Window shades open and tray tables closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, vaping, or the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.